To make my family proud is gonna feel amazing and very fulfilling. I'm Sam. I'm a biology major here at Indian River State College, and I will be graduating with my bachelor's in biology. I recently just got accepted into the University of St. Augustine Health Sciences program in Miami for physical therapy, and I'm pursuing to become a doctor of physical therapy in August 2028. What inspired me to pursue the medical field is my love to help people. When I was younger, I fractured my ankle. When I started the rehab process, it just felt like a seamless activity, and it feels like, if I can wake up and do that every day, it wouldn't feel like work. My favorite memory at my time at the river has to be with my cohort. They have been by my side supporting me mentally and emotionally, and I can express how much I appreciate them as well. When I walk across that stage, I'm gonna feel fulfilled, accomplished, relieved, and sad. Sad that it's over. It was an amazing part of my journey. I would do it all over again if I could. I am Samuel Eastmond. I am a bachelor in biology, and I am an Indian River State College graduate.